Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I'm Laura. Today is the 22nd of July, and we'll be talking about Dow Jones Industrial Average. We can see for the past 24 hours, there are 143 articles towards it. In the sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling positive and the subjectivity is 42%. In trend analysis, we can see the professionals at Trading Central are thinking that it may rise by 3.54%. Going to the chart, we can see they're saying short-term rebound. Against the daily chart, we can see there's in the comment section, the RSI is bullish and calls for further upside. Below is a series of supports and resistances, and I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to press the like, and also don't forget to follow our social media, Facebook and YouTube. Until then, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a happy trading day. Bye.